Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Onmi airdrop. Now Onmi is basically a Web3 AR game on the iOS devices. So I actually tried searching on my Android device and I'm not able to find this game. But on iOS devices, this one is available. So the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to create an account on their website. Links in the description, that is my referral link. It really supports my channel. Now once you create an account on me over here, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and complete some basic task over here, like you will need to go ahead and install an app on your mobile, and as well as connect your wallet and join community, invite friends over here, and few other simple tasks are there. Now once you complete all these tasks, you will be getting these points over here, and these points would be converted into Onmi tokens in the future. Now the token generation event for Onmi is in July, which is like after 2 months, and hopefully this should be a decent airdrop, because I think currently around 3000 Onmi tokens are worth around $15 or so. Depends on the current pricing, and maybe in future we can see the price of this token rise. Now we are not sure how much would be the airdrop that we will receive after completing all of this. And basically once you complete all of this, the next step that you can do is, like, if you are having a iOS or Apple mobile phone, you can go ahead and download this game on your wallet over here. So as you can see, they have mentioned that this app is available only on App Store for iPhone and iPad. Now I have downloaded this on my both of my iPads over here, and I'm able to successfully download it. So basically what you have to do is, first you will need to go ahead and sign up on me and start playing this game. So this game is similar to Pokemon, where you have to collect orbs, and more the orbs you collect, the more points you will be getting. Now once you complete this task and this game task over here, you can go to Galaxy over here and go ahead and follow them and complete both of this task over here in order to potentially receive some additional airdrops in the future. Now apart from completing this Galaxy task, you can join the Discord server over here, and basically you can participate in different question tasks, like, and there are different contests on their Discord channel where you can go ahead and participate in order to earn some additional points. So these are some of the steps that you can do in order to go ahead and farm the Onmi airdrop, and this should be a decent airdrop. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.